हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार। मैं विपुल इनकम टैक्स लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। 18 सितंबर 2021 को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस ने एक प्रेस रिलीज लाया जिसमें उन्होंने कहा इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट कंडक्ट सर्चेज इन मुंबई एंड अदर रीजन ऑन प्रोमिनेंट एक्टर इन मुंबई। Friends, the income tax department conducted a search and seizure operation at various premises of prominent actor in Mumbai. Not disclose her name, but you can see name of the prominent actor in newspaper, and also a Lucknow-based group of the industry engaged in the infrastructure development. Total 28 premises spread over Mumbai, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jaipur, Delhi, and Gurgaon have been covered in the search operation. During the course of search at the premises of the actor and his associate, incriminating evidences pertaining to the tax evasion have been found. The main modus operandi followed by the actor had been to root his unaccounted income in the form of bogus unsecured loan from many bogus entries. Investigations so far have been revealed use of the 20 such entities, the provider of which on examination have accepted on oath to have given bogus accommodation entries. They have accepted to have issued checks in lieu of cash. There have been instances where professional receipts have been camouflaged as loan in the books of the accounts for the purpose of evasion of the tax. It has also been revealed that these bogus loans have been used for making investment and acquiring properties. The total amount of the tax evaded unearthed so far amount to more than 20 crore. Charity Foundation, incorporated by the actor on 21st July 2020, has collected donation to the tune of 18.94 crore from 1st April 2021 till date, out of which it has spent around 1.9 crore towards various relief work, and balance 70 crore has been found and lying in the bank account of the foundation till date. It is the same that fund to the tune of the 2.1 crore have also been raised by the Charity Foundation from overseas donor on crowdfunding platform in violation of the FCARA regulations. The simultaneous search operation carried out at various premises of an infrastructure group in Lucknow, in which the said actor has entered into a joint venture real estate project and invested substantial funds, have resulted in unearthing of incriminating evidences pertaining to the tax evasion and irregularity in the books of account. The search has revealed that the said group is involved in the bogus billing of subcontracting expenses and siphoning of funds. Evidences of such bogus contract funds so far as to the tune of over 65 crore, evidence of unaccounted cash expenses, unaccounted sale of scrap and digital data evidencing unaccounted cash transaction has also been found. Further, it has been unearthed that the said infrastructure group or company has entered into dubious circular transaction to the tune of 175 crore with an infrastructure company based in Jaipur. Further investigation are being carried out to establish the full extent of tax evasion. Cash of 1.8 crore has been seized during the course of the search, and 11 lockers have been placed under prohibitory order. The search operation is still continuing and further investigation are in progress. Thank you so much for watching Income Tax Update.